Red SB? Okay. Hi ma'am, much buns po. Pili lang kayo ma'am ah. Hi sir, hi ma'am, mochi buns. Hello ma'am, mochi buns. Hello sir, hello ma'am, mochi buns. Thank you ma'am. Have a nice day. Sa TikTok ma'am napapanood mo siya ma'am. Okay, thank you. If ma'am follow mo social ko, tap mo lang yung phone mo dito.
I follow you.
Napala na. Thank you ma'am. Yes sir, mochi buns po.
Ano po recommended?
Hi sir, mochi buns.
Custard lang ba to?
Yes ma'am. Or gusto mo lagyan natin ng fruits, pwede rin naman ma'am. Madalas kasi iba gusto niya plain lang ma'am.
Tapos ito, ano lang.
Oreo, yes ma'am. Parang
Nalang yan ng Oreo.
gusto mo itong dalawa ma'am kasi mas mura siya ma'am. May 50 na discount ma'am. Hello sir. Anything else ma'am? Okay. Pwede ka rin mag-combo dito ma'am. Get 250 siya ito tsaka to ma'am. Parang 100 lang nandito ma'am. Hi sir, mochi buns. Lagay ko to dito ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. Have a nice day. Hi sir, hi ma'am, mochi buns.